Are you looking for the TOP5 Best Tool Belt? In this video, we will look at some of the top 5 Best Tool Belt on the market. For more details and price, click product link, please check the description below. Before we get started with our video, number 1. Bucket Boss 3-Bag Tool Belt with Suspenders 55,135. Carry all the necessary tools with this tool belt from Bucket Boss, which boasts 29 pockets with numerous large and medium-sized pouches, which is more than most framers' rigs. It features 3 large pockets, each with enough space to carry a framer square, a box of drill bits, a screwdriver, a set of pliers, and other hand tools. Its medium-sized pockets provide room for tape measures, plumb bobs, and boxes of nails or screws. All pockets are barrel-bottomed for maximum capacity. Having room for so much gear wouldn't make much difference if this belt didn't fit snug and secure. Thick padding on the shoulder straps and inside the belt provides plenty of cushioning for comfort. Large metal grommets on the belt with a steel slide buckle allow for easy belt adjustments to achieve a snug fit around the hips. This tool belt fits waist sizes up to 52 inches. Number 2. Custom Leathercraft Suede Tool Belt 3-Pocket. DIY users and professionals don't always need to carry around a whole toolbox on their belt, often needing only a handful of tools to tackle a couple of jobs. Custom Leathercraft's compact tool belt keeps these types of workers in mind. It features a loop for a hammer or square, 2 deep pockets for nails, a measuring tape clip, and a smaller pocket for a pencil, screwdriver, or other thin tools. The belt itself comes in heavy polyester with rugged suede pockets and a quick-release buckle for easy on and off. This affordable Carpenter's tool belt fits waists from 29 to 46 inches. Number 3. Geboor Gardening Tool Belt Heavy-Duty Oxford Apron. Geboor's garden tool belt works just right for those times when only a few chores remain around the garden, so there's no need for a whole bunch of gear. Washable light Oxford fabric shrugs off dirt and provides good resistance against wear and tear. 5 front pockets include a variety of sizes, a lanyard clip, and a drawstring. 2 back pockets provide space for a phone, notebook, or other small flat item. A quick release clip makes the whole thing easy to put on and take off, and it comes in a choice of black or green. Number 4. Gatorback B240 Electrician's Combo Heavy Duty Belt. Gatorback's Electrician tool belt keeps workers cool, with breathable air channels built into the material for comfortable and sweat-free use. A memory foam back support helps the wearer maintain good posture for fewer backaches later on. This nylon Electrician tool belt is both riveted and bar-tacked for longer-lasting durability and strength. It comes with an 18-pocket right pouch and 9-pocket left pouch to help carry a variety of tools and materials. Plastic sewn into the material reinforces the open shape of the pockets to keep tools accessible and prevent them from piercing pocket bottoms. A double metal buckle ensures this belt stays in place. Number 5. Gatorback Bone 145 Carpenter's Triple Combo Work Belt. From its sturdy design to its thoughtful placement of varying pocket sizes, this high-quality framing tool belt is suitable for professionals and DIY carpenters alike. Heavy-duty Duratec nylon, construction, steel suspender rings, and pockets reinforced with rivets and bar-tack stitching ensure this tool belt will endure the most rugged work sites. Gatorback's box pouch design uses a plastic insert to force the pockets to stay open, which makes it easier for carpenters to get their hands into the pouches and grab what they need. Users may remove and rearrange the pouches to personalize the belt to suit any need. Gatorback Pace. Its fitted belt includes memory pad back support that fits better and feels better. The belt weighs in at 5 pounds and comes in sizes small to 3XL.